Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can delete any row in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the row which you want to delete. So for this, click on the left side of the row. So you can see when we will click on it, the whole row will be selected. So guys, in this way you can select whole row. So after selecting the row, so just click the right side of mouse and you can see the options of delete. So when you will click on it, your selected row will be deleted. So click on it and you can see the selected row is deleted. So guys, in this way you can delete any row in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.